Welcome back. Previously, we've already talked about how you can triple your commissions, where one of the methods is by adding a bonus to your product. It's true that customers are paying for the main product, but no one can afford to say no for a better offer with an extra. A good bonus offer is something that cannot be turned down. It should be something that would catch the attention of your potential customers, making it special from others. Remember, be unique, make it irresistible. So, what should your bonuses be like? What is the proper criteria for you to put up bonuses? What are the things that you should know when setting up your very own bonuses? 1. Relevance. If the bonus is not relevant to your product, then the buyers who got it wouldn't appreciate it and might even be confused by the bonus deal. Also, they won't feel rewarded. For example, you've chosen a product that offers a range of video templates for video marketing purposes. Relevantly, what would be closely related to a video template? What else would your prospect need when buying this product? Don't you think that once buyers have created videos, they'll be needing traffic to increase their views? You just found yourself an opportunity right there. You can give a bonus relating to traffic-generating secrets or even a YouTube traffic hack. The possibilities are endless. 2. Raise it up. If the product you've chosen costs $67, your bonus should be worth 5 times the product. If your product is $100, your bonus should be worth $500. Now, this isn't a rule that you must follow, just a general principle. Your bonus works as a motivational push for your buyers to take actions in purchasing your product, but you'd be surprised at the amount of earnings you can get if you apply this rule to your bonuses. 3. Rarity. Thirdly, your bonus must be rare, meaning it's the only accessible thing that comes through you. If you provide a bonus that can be found elsewhere, it won't be special anymore, and the prospective buyer might not be intrigued by it. When you promise to give something, you should give it right away. Buyers will be very excited to receive the special bonus that they'll get. It's perhaps the primary reason why they purchase through your affiliate link in the first place. In fact, as much as you want more customers and prospects to come, keeping the same buyers is even better. Giving them disappointment by giving them the promised bonus late would certainly hurt your business and reputation. Be extra careful and be responsible. 4. Be adventurous. And by being adventurous, I mean try to win affiliate contests. At times, product vendors will organize affiliate contests as a competition. An affiliate with the most number of sales in a set time will win a prize. Explore the affiliate contest in JVZoo. They are used as incentives by vendors to increase the number of affiliates who support and get on board with their product launch. In order to increase your sales for the affiliate contest, you can use the scarcity factor as your sales technique. This technique creates a sense of urgency for customers to purchase a product through your affiliate link by presenting it as limited for a short period of time. 5. Reuse. Lastly, your bonus offer will not end at the one promotion only. You have spent a lot of time and effort in formulating ideas and getting necessary things done to come up with such a great offer. In order to increase your sales for the affiliate contest, you can use the scarcity factor as your sales technique. Nevertheless, you can use the same offer with the same great result if you've made it doable with other promotions.